just wondering what those are going to be. Just ran away. No, but I don't go back. We don't go back. It's fine. We win. They died. Oh, especially since that's so operation. And I also got a footsteps on me. Careful.
Goes crazy in the fight with the Trinity rifle, ready for flight, detonating lasers in the night.
As he lands like a key, shooting stars so bright, like a sandwich trance, just lies like a kite. And he's got the swag, unleashing logic with a manic break.
I mean, we split up.
It shows a tripwire blast. Screaming laughter through the night and past. That thing is freaking awesome, full of might, lighting up the sky with pure delight. Whipping out moves with fear and might, rocking the floor like it's his birthday.
This will be his mic though.
No way these are real people. Way too dog. Oh no, those very well. Hey, I'm hotter. Someone's dropped in behind us. I stopped it. Got him. I got another person in my way.
That's good. 500 in the area.
Looks crazy in the fight with a Trinity rifle ready for flight. Assailants like a kaiju in sauce that burns so bright.
Like the sand that's just right. And he's got
watch, he's got a teammate on top of
magic with a manic.
One coming out the back.
This shows a trip, water blast, screaming